How to write a report on performance appraisal of employees. Title: Understanding Performance Appraisal Report Writing. Hello students. Today, we are going to learn how to write a proper report on the performance appraisal of employees. Many of you misunderstood the question, so let's clarify what was actually required. Explanation of performance appraisal. First, what is performance appraisal? It is the evaluation of employees' work performance in an organization. Companies conduct performance appraisals to assess employees' strengths and weaknesses, identify areas for improvement, and give rewards or promotions. Understanding the report question. Now, let's break down the question. You were asked to write about the performance appraisal of employees in Unichem Limited, which is a unit of Unique Impacts Limited. Thus means you had to evaluate how well different employees in the company are performing their duties. Employees to be evaluated. You needed to focus on the performance of specific employees such as the branch manager, accountant, sales officer, labor officer, storekeeper, and other staff members. Let's understand how to assess each of them properly. Evaluation of each employee. Branch manager, leadership skills, decision making, and efficiency in running the company. Accountant, accuracy in financial reports, ability to manage company accounts properly. Sales officer, sales performance, customer relations, ability to achieve targets. Labor officer, handling of workers, problem solving ability, ensuring labor laws are followed. Storekeeper, proper management of inventory, record keeping, and avoiding wastage. Other employees, overall discipline, efficiency, teamwork, and contribution to company goals. For each of these employees, you should write how well they are doing their jobs. Are they working efficiently? Are they making mistakes? Are they improving the company's performance? Writing the report in a proper format. A performance appraisal report follows a formal structure. Here's how you should have written it. Report format. 1. Title: Performance Appraisal Report of Employees of Unichem Limited. 2. Introduction: Purpose of the report and why performance appraisal is important. 3. Performance evaluation: each employee's strengths and weaknesses. 4. Suggestions for improvement: what changes should be made to improve employee efficiency. 5. Conclusion: final remarks on overall employee performance and company. Suggestions for improvement. At the end of your report, you must provide suggestions for improvement. For example, conduct training programs for employees. Set performance based rewards to encourage better work. Improve communication between employees and management. Introduce new technologies to make work easier. Common mistakes and final advice. Many of you wrote general company information instead of focusing on employee performance. Some of you also missed evaluating each role separately. Avoid these mistakes next time. Closing. Now you understand how to write a performance appraisal report correctly. If you follow the structure and focus on evaluating each employee's work, your reports will be much better. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.